Hola, Miss Beth here with your instructions for today. Let's look at the plan. Okay, today the first thing you're gonna do is reportar tu asistencia aquí. Please pause your video and fill the form. Thank you. For your warm-up, you will complete this activity in Brain Pop. So I put the link here. It's the first time I use the Brain Pop, so I hope it works. And this is the activity you have is related to Columbus Day. So I want you to watch a video and complete an activity that I put there for you. Okay. Then we are going to have a project 4. Our project 4 talks about the likes and dislikes. That is what we are seeing in our new unit that you are seeing, our new chapter, excuse me. And you're going to work on a poster about your likes and dislikes. So you are going to create a Padlet. Yes, she came out with another resource to see how you like this one. Since you didn't like the, what was the name of that one? Uh, Presti. Oh yeah, I almost couldn't remember. Okay, so anyway, you're gonna create a Padlet. So I put the link here. You just open it, and that will take you to the Padlet. And here's the elements that you need to include. And I put a video here on how to do it because last time when you were doing the Prezi, you had difficulties doing it. So I put this video here that is going to tell you how to do your Padlet, how to create it. A Padlet. So this is a Padlet. You're going to click right here where it says sign. So you just need to watch that video so you know how to do it. And then I gave you my example here. When you click here, you're going to see how I expect your Padlet to look like. Not exactly the same, but you're going to do something similar. Okay, it's still loading. So you see, I put here the greeting that I requested. I requested the greeting, and then this in the description, I put my name. And then you have to put 5 things that you like or you don't like to do with the pictures. And that's what I did right here. And that's it. That's all you had to do. Then you copy the link and you send it. I gave the instructions, the directions in this video. Okay, so that's what you had to do for today. So at the end of the day, today you need to have the activity in Brain Pop and your project 4. That's what you had to complete today during the class. As usual, we need to stay connected. I need you to stay connected, even if you feel like you know how to do this and it's so easy and I can do it. I want you to stay connected to the class so I know you are present. So please, and then I don't miss you. Okay, I'll see you in class. Adios.